Coach, what won the game tonight?
We are very happy. It's a very, very important win game because they are a very good team. They was in the first position of the classification, only lose one game, and it's not easy to win out of home. We have problems with the players. We only have 6 players. One with having her fingers since the first day. With Fanny 1 month out since the game of Valor, and it's not easy to play with 6 players. Play 40 minutes 100%, but I think my team played to her best level, play at 100% all the game, in defense, in the rebound, and I'm very proud of them. And I think that we can do a better game like today.
I got you. Carmen only scored 4 points in the first half. What changed in the second half?
We want that Carmen score, but not score that 50 points like the last game and the rest of the players don't score. Because if Carmen scores 50 and the rest of the players don't score, we lose like the last game. We want that Carmen score, but Carmen must help the rest of the players to score also. And Carmen always do a great work, a great job, not only in the score, also in defense, in the rebound, because Carmen all the games win 20, 22 rebounds, and that's not easy. Today she's playing like a point guard because we have a point guard, then maybe she hasn't the same options to score like she played like a number 2, number 3. But I think that she do a great job in the third quarter. Like you say, she only scored 4 in the first 20 minutes, and after she scored 17 in the next 10 minutes. And I think that she do a great job, and also she scored 29 and held the team in the most difficult moments in offense for winning the game.
Your next game is home against Haukar. Are you going to focus on something different for that game?
We haven't time to practice because it's play, rest, watch video, and maybe we need to work about the game on the practice on Tuesday. Tomorrow we have day off, and Tuesday we will practice again and try to work some details to win the game. Haukar is maybe the best team in the first round of the competition. He only lose 1 game. He has very, very good player, and I know it's a hard game, but we play at home, and at home until this game we play much better at home than that when we play out of home. Then we must forget this game. Now we are very happy, but tomorrow we must forget this game and think about the game of Haukar and try to win 1 more game before the stoppage of the league, because all the league is very similar. All the teams are winning, losing between all the teams, and we need to try to win more games.